Hi, hello. Today we are spraying against the weeds. Hi, hello. As you can see, it's very warm and it's 2nd of April. I'm just giving some micronutrients to the plants. Today is the day I'm giving food to Perenaise field. And we are giving this field some food yet again. If you want to make a flower, you have to give food. Hi, hello. I'm on my Perenaise field once again. I did some growth regulation and fungicide spraying. And we are once again giving nutrients to this field. Need some copper, need some zinc, need some boron. You can see there's a tractor with the fertilizer spreader behind it. Am I wasting money? I don't think so. Can I gain more money than I spend it here? I hope so.
No tervis, see aeg on käes, kombain seisab minu taga ja ma arvan, et me hakkame koristama nüüd. Järgmiste kohtumisteni!